Welcome to another episode of Sweet Spots. On this episode, we're headed back to Resorts World, but this time, we're staying in the Conrad. The Resorts World property here in Las Vegas is actually split into three different hotels: the Hilton, the Conrad, and the Crockford. Now, the Conrad is their mid-tier, and that's where we'll be staying. As you can see here, it has a beautiful lobby with a lobby bar, and it was quite busy at check-in. So we're going to get checked in, and then we're going to head upstairs. It is important to note that this building has specific elevators for each tower and for each set of floors. So make sure you pay attention to those signs or you will get completely turned around. Welcome into room 33274. This king suite offers a dual vanity, a walk-in shower with a rain head and a shower wand, a personal mini fridge, alongside a fully stocked fridge, a mini bar, and sweeping views of the Las Vegas Strip. See for yourself. With Resorts World sitting at the north end of the Strip, you get great views looking south, including that guitar, which will soon be the new Hard Rock Hotel. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm sure we'll be staying there as soon as it's available. For now, let's head downstairs and see what's going on. The east side of this property runs parallel to the Las Vegas Strip, and here at Resorts World, it's what they call the District. It is home to several restaurants, shopping, a mini replica of the Sphere, a very strange car piano, and entrance to the casino. Now, we're going to be exiting on the north end of the District. We'll take a look at the exterior of this property, we'll walk down the Las Vegas Strip, and we will re-enter on the south side. At the end of this video, we'll take a look at the parking situation, as I think it's actually improved, and I wish other properties out here would follow suit. So stay tuned to the very end. As promised, we're now back in the district, entering from the south side. Now, if you were to walk the Las Vegas Strip all the way to Resorts World, this is likely the entrance that you would use. Right upstairs, you'll find a Starbucks, and to the left, you'll find their nightclub. This is also where you'll find the entrance to the Vegas Loop, a few more restaurants, and that mini sphere. We're going to speed this up, make our way through the casino, and then we'll visit that parking situation. Now it's time to talk about that controversial topic out here in Las Vegas, paid parking. Now, I'm not here to debate whether parking should be free or not. I'm just here to state the facts. The fact is, Resorts World has now updated their parking system and partnered with a company called Metropolis. The way it works is you enter your license plate number onto your Metropolis account and you tie that to your Genting rewards. Now, depending on your status level, and if you're a local, parking will either be free or paid. The benefit of this new program is that you don't have to fuss with taking a ticket or swiping your player's card anymore. As you approach the gate, it uses a camera system that reads the license plate and will automatically open and close the gate. It'll then send you a notification via text and email letting you know that you've entered or exited a property that has charged or paid parking. Now, if you qualify for free parking, you will not be charged, and your entrance and your exit is as smooth as could be. I really wish the other properties would switch to this, as oftentimes these parking garages get backed up so quickly. If you've ever tried to exit one of these parking garages after a big show or a concert, you know what I mean. It doesn't take much before the whole parking garage is backed up to the top floor. Now, let me be clear. This new parking system at Resorts World does not completely resolve that issue, but it does make the average exit per car a lot faster, assuming everyone has followed the process and set up their account properly. Now, there's one more thing about Resorts World parking. There's actually 2 parking garages. There's one attached to the main property, and it's reserved for the hotels. However, any guest or visitor is allowed to use that. There's also another parking facility just across the street, and it is a little bit of a walk, but it's available and usually less cars there. You can see that parking garage in the back here, and you can also see one of those new smart automatic cars called Zook, which does partner with Resorts World and makes deliveries of people up and down the Las Vegas Strip. So, there you have it. Resorts World parking in a nutshell. If you're looking for more content around Resorts World, check out our channel, and I'll leave a link in the description of another stay we had here last year. We really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And as always, we'll catch you guys next time.